3 tips for peace of mind if you're buying and selling your home simultaneously. Condition the sale of your home on successfully purchasing your replacement property. Now, depending on what the market is like when you plan on implementing this strategy, it could affect how long it takes you to actually successfully close a deal on that home, but nevertheless, it does reassure you with peace of mind throughout the process. All right, now before you go ahead and accept that offer, why don't you guys try to negotiate a rent back in there? At this point, the new owners will go ahead and let you occupy the property for X amount of days after you guys had already closed and transferred title. Now, my third and final tip is regarding your pre-approval. First off, you definitely want to go ahead and get pre-approved as soon as you list your home on the market. That way you can go ahead and start your home search and get into contract as soon as possible. The second thing you want to go ahead and do is talk to your lender to see if you can change that pre-approval to a full approval. In doing so, you'll go ahead and minimize any risk of not being able to proceed forward and ensure that you can successfully close the deal on that property while at the same time locking in and securing your initial offer on your first home. That pretty much wraps it up for today's video. As always, I appreciate your support, and now you know